Hello, everyone. Today we're recording a lesson about how to edit our characters again. Previously, during Christmas, we created a family comic. At that time, we created 3 characters: Sarah, Mike, and Emily. Now, let's say we want to edit the character Mike. To do this, we can go to our character list. Hover your mouse over the top left corner of Mike's character card, and you'll see the option to Edit Character. Alternatively, you can click the Edit button from the More menu. If you just want to change his name, that's also supported. For example, once we enter Mike's character editing page, we can adjust various attributes, such as his age, body type, hairstyle, hair color, or clothing. At this stage, there's another important feature to note. If we want to enhance consistency when designing characters, we can quickly generate a 3-view model of the character. Simply hover over the image, and you'll see a 3-view option in the top left corner. Click that, then hit Generate, and wait for the 3-view model to be created. Once it's generated, you'll have Mike's 3-view character model. You can apply it and click Regenerate if needed. Now, Mike's character map will include the 3-view design, and we can insert it into the comic. All right, to sum up, that's today's tutorial on editing characters. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.